Vitamin Dose. The ETHOS Vitamin Dose is an improved formula of the previous Vitamin Dose, and it contains clear witch hazel. Now, Vitamin Dose plays a huge role in nail health to sustain the keratin structure and the metabolism of the natural nail, and it should be used for all nail treatments on all nail types. It comes with a tiny dropper for hygiene purposes and for easy application. So before a manicure or gel application, pre-cut a cotton square into 4 quarters and apply a drop of Vitamin Dose onto the cotton square. To dab and wipe 5 nails with 1 quarter. This is sufficient for the prepared nail plate to receive the dose of vitamins, which contains vitamin B1, B2, B12, and all of the vitamin B group. Now, Vitamin Dose is volatile, which means that it will evaporate quickly. But always be safe and make sure that the nails and especially the cuticles are dry before applying base.